It's time to harvest my plantain seeds. This is my purple plantain. These are the older leaves. I need to just get rid of those, but the newer ones are coming in down there. It's a deep purple, but these seeds are ready to harvest. And I usually just snip them off at the base, and I'll put them in a paper sack and wait for spring. Just like the broadleaf plantain, the purple plantain is edible, the whole plant. You can even make plantain chips out of the leaves. It's a great inflammation and good for the gut. Okay, so here is my broadleaf plantain, and the leaves are ready. I want this area to establish, to get bigger and healthier, so I left these plants here, but the seeds are not quite ready to harvest. As a matter of fact, I may not harvest them. I might just let them drop here so that this area can grow and produce more plants. But I love harvesting the leaves and chopping them up to put it in a jar and fill it up with olive oil, and then just let it sit for a good month, and makes a great lotion, cream, a salve for your skin, especially in the winter time when it's super dry. Alrighty, so here's how I store my seeds. The purple plantain seeds are in here. I don't rub them off the stalk. I just leave them on there and let them fall naturally when they're ready. And then I will add those to the seed swap for next spring, and we'll just plant some more. Alrighty, now this is how I make my plantain salve. I use an old pickle jar, and when I harvested my plantain leaves, I chopped them up, fill the jar up with those. I added some rose petals, and that is what you see in there are the stalks of the lavender flowers. I use the flowers for something else, and this is how I use up the rest of the plant or the stalk without wasting it. So I add those to it, and then I fill it up with a good organic olive oil, and I let that sit. It's been a good 2 months, so it's ready to strain. And this is how I use the oil. Now this is my quarter-size pint plantain salve. I just add beeswax and whip it with a little bit more olive oil, and I think I added some shea butter, which I'm pretty sure there is. Get it nice and soft. This is excellent for dry skin. I have gardener's hands. My nails are always dirty. But it's excellent for your elbows, knees, dry heels, cracked heels, dry hands like mine. Excellent in the winter time for psoriasis, eczema. I even have a friend who uses it on her baby for diaper rash. So yeah, it's very medicinal and beneficial for the whole body. It's great for wrinkles too. So there you go. And then I have little samples, and these are the ones I like to give away as gifts to my friends. You know, it's just something fun to do, so. Jack, come say hi. Yeah. You agree totally, don't you? Good stuff.